I don't feel like she's mine enough. God, I feel I couldn't have you.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have an unboxing of the Union Los Angeles Jordan 1s. So these are the latest collaboration that Jordan brand and Union Los Angeles have done. This is the black toe colorway. Super limited sneaker, really dope. With that said, let's get right into the review. Alright guys, so the first thing I want to start off with is the box. As you guys can see, this is not your ordinary Jordan 1 box. Now this sneaker is inspired by vintage 80s and 90s Jordan brand. And as you can see on the box, that definitely shows. There's a bunch of ads from all different Jordan commercials. Jordan hitting the last shot. Yeah, a bunch of other designs of Jordan shoes and everything like that. And then getting to the label, it says Air Jordan 1 Retro High NRG UN. And then the color is white, black, varsity red. Getting inside of the shoebox, we have all black inside, and then we have the nice unique paper. And I really like when Nike and Jordan brand do this kind of stuff. So it's just some design concepts of the shoe. Pretty cool. Don't really want to get into it too much, but yeah, really cool touch. The box out of the way, let's get right into the sneakers themselves. So first off, it comes with 2 extra pairs of laces, one like an orange colorway, and then we have like this cream and black colorway. I like when they add laces to it, just makes it feel more premium. But let's get a good look at the sneaker. So this is the bread toe mixed with a wolf gray colorway, as you guys can see. This is my favorite pair out of the 2 colorways. The other one just doesn't do it for me, even though it's more limited, but this one definitely really nice. And as you guys can see, the vintage take is all over the sneaker with like these yellowed out parts on the sneaker, the stitching here, kind of like the off-whites. And then of course like the cream yellowed out midsole. It all gives it like this vintage 80s, 90s vibes, which is what the brand was going for. On this side we have a Jordan tag. We don't really see these except with like Jordan 4s and 3s. But here we have it, and it says Union on it. So let's get into the 360 breakdown. Starting with the toe box, we have white in the center along with a black toe. And of course, we have like the yellow lining, as I was mentioning, all throughout the sneaker. It's like this deconstructed look that, Off-White has done previously. And then here we have a black Nike swoosh. And this swoosh actually looks thinner than most Jordan 1 swooshes. And the material on it is really nice. Kind of feels like suede, but I don't think it's suede. I could be wrong, but kind of like a Nubuck suede kind of feel to it, but really premium nonetheless. And of course, as I mentioned, we have like the yellow, the midsole, along with an all red outsole. So they kept the outsole the same as every other Jordan one, like the breads, the black toes, I think are like that too. And then the leather is really nice on these. I don't like especially on the toe box too. It's really premium. As you guys can see, the tumbled leather. And then here there's more tumbled leather on this side. Close-up looks at that. And then my favorite part of the sneaker has to be this, where it's like the blue stitching going across and it says Union LA. I think that branding just looks really sick. Again, it's reminiscent of the Off-White collabs in my opinion. And then going up, we have like the wolf gray part of the sneaker here. We have the Air Jordan logo in gray, and then we have like this gray suede going all throughout the tongue. And then getting into the back part, on the heel we have an all red panel. Getting into the medial side of the sneaker, once again we have the blue stitching coming all the way across, along with the black Nike swoosh coming all the way across. Again, it feels really dope. And of course we have like the yellow lining once again here. Getting into another interesting part of the sneaker, we have the tongue and the laces. So the laces, we have the all black laces on it, except when we reach like the tongue area, it becomes cream. Honestly, at first I wasn't a fan of that look, but now when I have it in hand, it looks really dope, especially with the tongue being deconstructed as it is. So the tongue, really intriguing part of the sneaker, we have a Nike Air and Wolf Gray. And then just like the Off-White collabs, we have like a foam-like tongue on it. So as you guys can see, gives a closer look at that. Now, the problem is these are going to yellow more over time. That's my main issue, but it does match with the vintage vibe that the shoe is trying to give. And then on the insole of the sneaker, it says Union on the right pair. And then the camera is not going to pick this up, but after that, as you guys can see, those writings Kind of like the writings on the paper instead of the box that I mentioned earlier. Getting into the left pair, the only difference on this pair compared to the right pair is the insole. Again, the camera's not going to do a great job picking this up, but it says Air Jordan instead of Union. Other than that, both pairs are the same. It's not like a what the concept or anything. Same exact design on both pairs. Give you guys a close last look at them. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed this review of the Union Jordan 1s. I think one thing they could have done that would have made the sneaker a little better was if they actually mixed the pairs. And what I mean by that is if they put one pair of the black toes and one pair of the storm blue pair and they just made that into one pair. Now obviously you could do that if you buy both pairs and you just swap them out. I think that'd be a great idea for whoever has both pairs, but I think that the concept would have been a little bit cooler, but nonetheless, really nice sneaker. One of the best collabs of the year for Jordan brand for sure. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more. It goes a long way. And once again, thank you guys for watching.